and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video I will show you support and resistance zones in binary option, how you can trade with that to get the best win rate you can get. If you like this type of videos, push the subscribe button and like button. And also if you have any question, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to the broker I'm using. You can start with as little as $10 and works worldwide. Let's get to the video. Okay, so let's get to it. So first we are going to trade on 1 minute. We are going to put up support and resistance. Then we go to our 30 minute. Let's take a look here first. This I do not like that much because you see we don't have, like I told before, when I like to trade I like to see waves. If I see waves, that's a good way to trade. So this is it's very difficult to find any trade on this one, so we skip this one. Let's see on gold if it looks better. Let's put on let's see which one we have here first. This looks a little better actually. Let's put to 15 minutes. Let's put 1 minute. Yeah, this we can deal with. So then we are going to put up some support lines. Let me see. It's not this one. We have it. Actually, Fibonacci replacement. We put one. Sorry, I'm just thinking a little while I'm doing. We put up one there. Let's see if we can get one more. Yes, we put one in this region. And we put one in, we put in closed bars. So we put one there. And let's see, we put one. Basically what I'm looking for is a place where the market touched many times. That's a good place. And here seems to be a good place. And in this region, let me see, cross line, let me see here. Okay. Let's go to 1 minute now and just we have put a few nows. Now let's now we are in 1 minute, of course. Let's now zoom in a little. Okay, so basically now actually I want to put one up here also. Let me put one more. Let's put this one down for now. There. This one I delete for now. Okay. We take, okay. Now basically we're going to trade out of these lines. So let's put a bid. Let's move a little this way. Let's put $100. So basically now if we come up in this level here, we're going to put a down because we can see it's a very strong resistance up here. So we don't need to look too much on this stochastic. We can look at that at the same time, of course. It's good if we are high in stochastic, but then what we are mainly looking on is now this resistance zone we have up there. So it's more like our trade zone. So let's wait and see how this turns out first. If we come up this there, of course, I'm ready to put down. Right away we touch this line up there, we will go down. Okay, 43 seconds. Or if we go down to this region here, we might go up. And if we go here, we will double it. Let's wait and see. We might have one more there. If we touch it, we can put there. Then we will double it. And we are ready. There, let's go down. Then we did put down, and let's see how that turned out. As you can see, in the past here, if you look to the left, we did a few times go up, but we did close below it. And we can put in a $250 up here. In the worst case scenario, if we go up to this line up here. Let's see. We have 20 seconds left. Okay, we take one more. We are breaking through everything. One is closed, but the next one looks to be okay. So, and that's completely normal that we can break one, but to break two, it's not so normal. So I guess this one will be okay. So that's a way you can trade. Of course, you don't need to trade with so much like 100, 250 and things like this. You trade with what you can afford. But the thing is that with support and resistance zones, you can easily find a place that is good for trading. So now let's just wait 10 seconds for this one to close. And just like that. So in that way, if we bring up the calculator, we did use 350 total, and we did gain 462. So we made a profit of $112. So that's the thing. So the next line I would put around up here where we are right now, and I would put a line up in the region up here. So that's a way you can trade basically. This is making your chances to win much higher, because the market always will react on this support and resistance zones. In this way we did shoot a little hard up. So typically you will win on the first try, but in this case, as you could see, we needed 2 times. And if you see, if you have taken the trade up here, like I told, would be a winner also. So if you trade with support and resistance, easy way to do it, go to higher time zone. There you can easy, if we remove all these lines here now, we can do put on if you're trading on 1 minute, it's quite good to trade on we can move this here, for example, you have one. Let's mark it with a red color. It's more viewable. Like we can see, we have one strong here. We mark that one with red color also. Then you can see you can trade in between here. And if you go bad, the trade go bad, find another zone where you decide that you will double when you reach to this place. The thing is, you don't need to double in the next trade. You can double on the next possibility on a resistant, support resistant. So a good idea is to mark up every place you see the market have touched it many times, make a line and only trade these lines. Together, you can use together with stochastic. If you see, for example, you're very low in stochastic, you're touching, for example, down here, for example, let's say down here, I will mark with the mouse. Like down here, you see, hey, you touched it 3 times. If you make a line here, for example, that's a place you would trade. Easy, right? Mark up a few places you see the market touch many times, then only trade when you touch these lines. And do like I said now, put up in 10 minutes or even 15 minutes, because then you more in the bigger time frame you take, better you will find the places where there are strong support and resistance. Because if it's strong on 15 minutes, then it's super strong on 1 minute. So that's it for this video. Together with the martingale, you might lose 1 time, maybe 2, but in the 3rd time you should win. So with that, also you find a link below the video to this broker. You can start with as little as $10 and you can bid like $1 each trade. Even if you lose a trade, you don't need to martingale also. You can do only $1 trades. So if you lose this one, in the end you will win more than you lose. But stick to a strategy. Don't go too crazy, right? So with that, have a perfect day.